What's going on, y'all? It is Every Penny Counts, and I have a new app for y'all that was actually brought to my attention by one of my subscribers. So shout out to him for actually bringing this to my attention because I'm already really loving this app. It's an influence app that will basically pay you to give video responses to different questions. Now, you see there I got $99.65. Basically, what it is basically you'll just give video responses to different questions. So I'm just showing you something I did in the past few days. What new products have you tried recently? I kind of told him in the video response. I got 50 cents for doing that. What is your go-to brand for sportswear? I told him that. I got 50 cents. This one, about treats and gums. I got $1 for that. Doing this one, so you see the question that they're asking me. I'm getting 50 cents or $1, one of the two. So it seems like every time they give you a question, it's not like 5 cents, 10 cents. It's at least 50. I'm saying? There's one that was 65 cents, but so you see they're really paying good, and it's like I said, it's video responses. So this is not something that like you do a video response and it's not something like you do in a survey. It's more like just answering the question in the video. So when it comes to disqualifying, you're really not worried about that because you're giving video responses, and as long as you answer the question the way they ask you to, you should be fine. Now I'm gonna give you an example of how this goes. Your question will be here with this questions tab. Now you see here, I have one. It doesn't pay anything, so that's why I really haven't done it. But the question is, what is your favorite chocolate bar? So if I click on it, it'll tell me, how to answer the question. We like to know what your favorite chocolate bar is and why. Where do you usually purchase these chocolate bars from and why? When and where do you usually consume this chocolate bar and why? Answer these questions in your video. Now the thing is, the video has to be, I think at the minimum of like 15 seconds. I know the most it'll be is a minute. So what I try to do is just answer the question fully, all of these things that they're asking me, just make sure my video response that I say an answer to all of those. And then right here, when I'm ready to record, I'll click start task. And you see there, you will basically, that's where you record yourself. And then a timer will be at the top that will allow you to kind of count down where you're at with this. So that's how that goes. Very simple to do, and then once you're done with it, you get to just upload it, and it'll be up for review. Now, as far as reviewing, it takes like not even an hour for them to actually review. I think it's like 15 minutes, and they'll review it. Just make sure you answer the question correctly, and then they'll credit you. So, like I said, you saw my account, what I have. Again, 50 cents to $1. You know what I'm saying? So I started on this maybe like last week or so, or maybe like 2 weeks ago. And I already got $9.65. It's not something that'll get you rich, but 50 cents here and there for answering like a video response for like 15 to 30 seconds. I mean, it isn't bad. I'll cash out at $15. Of course, I'll do a video when I actually cash out on it, but I just want to bring this app to your attention because, like I said, somebody brought it to my attention, and I'm glad he did because, it's actually one of those apps where you can make good money with it just doing some easy stuff. Like I said, you won't get rich, but just a little pocket money here and there. I mean, it isn't bad to, add to your routine. So I will leave the link to this app in the description. Sign up for it. Very easy to use. Just downloading your phone, your tablet, or whatever it is, and just basically get paid to answer questions and video responses. All right. So like I said, the link to it is in the description. If you're new to my channel, subscribe because I'm always showing you guys how to make money completely free in your spare time. And that's what it's all about, just really changing your financial future. So get started with this app, subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. And always remember, every penny counts.